What you gain by integrating point of sales and accounting software. Point of sales can take any business to the next level of efficiency and professionalism. Reduce keying errors, reap the benefits of automation which lead to accurate reporting, increase your transaction speed and reduce payment time for your customers. Streamline end-of-day reconciliation so you can get back to the things you would prefer to be doing. The right billing, inventory and integrated accounting can provide major time-saving benefits, and it is the absolute necessity for your company's survival. Mybos Hybrid Cloud Billing is a fully integrated total solution for your retail and wholesale business. What is Mybos Hybrid Cloud? It is a cloud computing environment that uses a mix of on-premises and on-cloud services with automation between the two systems. Simply saying, run point of sales or billing system on premises computers, and inventory and accounting system on cloud with automation between the two systems. Hybrid cloud allows you to take advantage of emerging cloud technologies, while still retaining your great significance applications within your premises. Step 1. Mybos Accounting Setup. Activate the following modules in Mybos Cloud Accounting Software from Customize and Settings. Activate following modules from Customize. 1. Bank accounts. Create at least one bank account in this module. 2. Cash accounts. Create at least one cash account in this module. 3. Receipts and payments. 4. Customers. Create at least one customer in this module. 5. Sales invoice. 6. Credit note. 7. Inventory items. You should import or sync inventory items to billing plugin from Mybos accounting software. Create following from settings. 8. Tax code. Create at least one custom tax code in this module. 9. Inventory location. Create at least one location in this module. Step 2. Mybos Billing Setup. Click on Mybos Billing icon on your desktop. Important. You should have an administrator user password in Mybos Accounting to use Mybos Billing plugin. Validate the administrator user password in Mybos Billing initially to log into the system. You should validate the administrator user password again if you change the password in Mybos Accounting. Enter user ID, administrator and password. Click on Continue button. Once you successfully log in, company file drop-down will be activated. This will display companies you have created in Mybos Accounting. Now Continue button will change to Login. Select the company you like to use. Select the default terminal. Click on the Login button. Step 3. Sync and validate. Validate modules and sync data. Initially, you should validate modules and sync data with accounting system to get started with Mybos Billing. You do this process only once unless you make any changes in the accounting system. Example, you create a new tax code, create a new location, etc. Click on the sync icon or go to modules. Sync and validate. Click on the Get Companies button. Now Validate Modules button will be activated. Select the company you want to validate from Select Company drop-down menu. Click on the Validate Modules button. If you activated the required modules in Mybos Accounting, you will get a success message. Click on the Sync Date button. Now all your bank account, cash account, inventory location, tax data in Mybos Accounting will be synchronized to Mybos Billing. Sync customers. Go to Modules menu. Click Sync. Click on the Sync Customer. Now you will see a pop-up screen to sync customers from Mybos Accounting. Select the date from you want to sync customers and click on Direct Sync button. Click on the Update button. You can also add customers from the billing system by clicking Easy Add button. Click the Close button to exit the screen. Sync suppliers, go to Modules menu. Click Sync. Click on the Sync supplier. Now you will see a pop-up screen to sync supplier from Mybos Accounting. Select the date from you want to sync customers and click on Direct Sync button. Click on the Update button. You can also add supplier from the billing system by clicking Easy Add button. Click the Close button to exit the screen. Sync Chart of Accounts, go to Modules menu. Click Sync. Click on the Sync Chart of Accounts. You need to import inventory items from Mybos Accounting to use this plugin. All your inventory items should have code. Go to Accounting and Inventory Items. Go to the bottom of the screen and on your right you see a small button called Batch Update. Click on the Batch Update button. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Go to Billing and go to Modules. Sync. Sync items or click Sync Items icon. Click Paste Item Data button to sync item data to Mybos Billing. By ticking Override Selling Price on top right will override already updated items selling price in billing. Now you will see all your items on the screen. You must first copy from Accounting and then click Paste Item Data, else you will get an error message. You can also direct sync items from the accounting system by selecting the From date. It is recommended you use Auto Sync after you import all your items initially to Mybos Billing, if you have more items. Click Update button to import inventory items to Mybos Billing. You can also create items from Billing System. Note, if you make any changes to inventory items in Mybos Accounting such as create new item, edit name, etc., then you should redo the above task again. You can edit selling price from Billing System as well. Go to Settings menu and set up the following. Only administrator user can do the following settings. Set up terminals, unique invoice number sequence. Set up users and assign company. Set up default accounts, cash and bank. Set up billing message. Set up salesperson. Set up preferences. Set up terminal. This screen allows you to set up terminal invoice number for Mybos Billing. User should use the assigned terminal or select a terminal name when logging to the system. Click on Add button and enter terminal prefix with 3 digits. Enter terminal name, POS invoice number. Enter any starting invoice sequence number, if you like. Click on Save button to update. Note, you should create unique terminal numbers for each company, even if you have multi-location. Make sure you select the correct terminal name when you log in. Set up users and assign company. This screen allows you to create users for billing and assign company S for these users. Click on Add button, enter the new username and password. Add company S to this user, where this user can log in and enter sales. Select the terminal for this user. On your right screen, just tick the relevant permissions for the user. Set up default accounts. This screen allows you to set up default cash and bank accounts for selected company from accounting system. You should do this setup to post receipts to accounting system. This will also allow you to track cash and credit cards payments separately. Select the company file. Select cash and bank account. Click Update button. Note, you must reset the default cash and bank accounts again, if you sync data again. Set up billing message. This screen allows you to enter docket receipt printing header and footer info. Enter your company address and footer message. Click Update button. Set up salesperson. This screen allows you to create salesperson for POS screen. Click on Add button and enter salesperson code and name. Click on Save button to update. Set up preferences. Now set up your preferences. Select the company file. Select and tick your company and general preferences. Click Update button. Company Settings Default Customer. This screen allows you to set up a default customer. Default Location. This screen allows you to set up a default location. Selling Price Fixed. Set selling price fixed during sales. Minimum selling price. Restrict not to sell below minimum selling price during sales. POS quantity lookup for all locations. During point of sales it shows quantity on hand for other locations as well. POS print preview. Show preview before print. Non-default customers on credit. Except default customer, make all other customers as credit customers. Disallow minus quantity. This will disallow to sell negative quantity of an item. General Settings Resolution. Here you can change the POS screen resolution. Pull display message. Enter your preferred text. Admin PIN. By providing a PIN number, you can allow to sell negative quantity during point of sales. Enable Auto Post Invoices. If tick this option, all your invoices auto-posted to Mybos accounting. Enable Auto Post Credit Note. If tick this option, all your credit notes and cash refunds auto-posted to Mybos accounting. Same way you can set it up for purchases. Note: if you enable Auto Post, please make sure that your internet is connected working. Set up Price Group Name System allows you to create 6-item pricing groups. Here you can change the group name as you wish. Click on Group Name. Change the name as you wish. Update and close the form. Set item details. Billing allows you to edit selling price, enter minimum sales price, enter reorder level and quantity of imported items. This can be edited only by administrator user. Go to admin icon. Click on drop-down menu. Click on Set Item Details. Click on Load Items. It will load all items you imported from the accounting system. If you want to view the default location T on hand, then click on Show on Hand Quantity. Make the necessary changes to the items, such as price change, minimum price, reorder setup. Click on Update button and close the window. Billing allows you to set multiple price matrix for an item. Step 1. Go to Settings menu and click Set up Price Group Name. System allows you to create 6-item pricing groups. Here you can change the group name as you wish. Click on Group Name. Change the name as you wish. Update and close the form. Step 2. Go to Admin icon menu and click Set Item Price Matrix. Click on Load Items. Now you can update price for each group. Update and close the form. Step 3. Go to Admin icon menu and click Set Customer Price Group. Click on Price Group drop-down list. Select the group you like to assign to your particular client. Update and close the form. In addition to 5 group price, you get 2 additional prices: default and last selling price. If you assign last selling price as a price group for a client, then it will auto-pick the price you assign on POS screen next time when you invoice this client for that particular item. Computerized packages for invoicing make the accounting process run faster and more efficiently, a major advantage. Instead of using the old-fashioned manual paper and pen, you can print professional-looking invoices fast and update accounting entries instantly. Billing point of sales screen allows you to enter sales and receive payments instantly. Click on Sales icon. Press F10 key or click New icon to start entering sales. You need to do this only once, unless you exit sales screen. Select Customer, Salesperson and Location. You can set a default customer and location in Settings. Select Discount Type. If you provide line discount, you must select the discount type before you start entering items to grid. Enter your item code on item code field. If the code is correct, it will move quantity field. Press else you will see a search pop-up screen to search the item. Use Tab and Enter keys to move around the item code, quantity, price and discount fields. You can update the item to the grid from any field by just clicking Ctrl plus Enter button. If you use barcode scanner, just scan the item from item code and it will auto-add to the grid. Press F7 key to update payment. Press Tab and arrow key to move between payment type. If you provide 100% credit invoice for a client, then tick credit invoice and this will post 100% credit invoice to the accounting.